Alright, so as you can see, I finished up my retightening. So today I'm gonna show you how to combine some locks. Now I combined these probably the first few months that I had them, because I was like, girl, you got too much locks up in here. This is never gonna work. So I 2-strand twisted them up, and that's how they look like. Oh my goodness, look at my nails. Shout out to my nails for staying good on my left hand, but freaking okay. Anyway, I combined my locks years ago, and that's because I had too many of them. But now, you know, they look, I like them this size. So I just 2-strand twisted them, and that helped them to stay together. Some of the ends are like double, you know, double head dragons or whatever, bifurcated. So I'm just gonna twist them all the way up. And I got this lock tool that I bought on Amazon. Basically, this is something you have to imagine doing, because you're sticking this crochet needle thing through your hairs, bringing other hairs from the other side to the inside so that these two ends can stay together. And it's hard for me to explain how it's done, but basically if you can imagine how it's done, you can do it. Voila! Oh, that was really good. That was actually really impressive. I'm impressed with myself. So I'm sticking it in and I'm twisting it at the same time. And I'm gonna roll it, help smush that junk together some more, and that looks awesome. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, so here's another one. So yep, we just gonna hold on. All right, so I twisted it on down some. It's not really secure. So now that I twisted it, I'ma go ahead. I'm actually gonna turn my hook out back this way, so like the hook part is facing the camera, because I feel like it works better that way. I don't know, could be just in my imagination. I think that helps it to catch the hairs better, especially since I'm twisting it. I'm twisting it in the direction that I did the double strand twist. So, and then I'm working my way up from the bottom to the top. To the top. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on, breathe. Ooh, I don't know. I think that's really good. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it up. Yeah, I think that's really good, because if you're looking, if you can see, they did a very good job. Okay, I ain't mad at that. Let me see if I can find another one. All right, this one kind of little, and it's really not a lot to be done on this one, but I'm gonna just see how it goes, honey. Okay, if I come across some more, I'll just do them as I go. But like, that's just how you do that little thing right there. Okay, shorty, what's up, skin? Thank you for not being all fucked up this whole time, because you could have really just did me in, you know what I'm saying, but you didn't, and I appreciate you. Is something going on with my lens? Is my lens clean? Okay, I love this look. This is a bathing suit actually, but it's totally too big for my boob parts, because my boobs keep falling out of them. But the crotch is so little, like he'd be riding up my butt. Okay, anyway, that's probably too much information for you, but whatever. I'm a sharer. See, it's just too, it's got all this space. Like, where's the boob that's supposed to go up in there? It's not in my Not in my not in the swimsuit. Look at all this space for boobs. Where your boobs at, girl? Let them just go. Yeah, whatever. Bye.